Welcome back to the DIY channel. I had some folks looked at my last review of the Olfa Works Pocket Bushcraft Saw, and they wanted to see some more detailed testing of this blade in action. So that's what we're going to do here today. The very first thing we're going to look at is its cutting performance. So we're going to look at size of wood versus time. So let's go look at those cuts right now. So the first test of the Olfa Works Pocket Bushcraft Saw is going to be on this 1 3/8" seasoned apple wood harvested right here on my farm. Let's see how long it takes to get through this. Pretty quick. Next up is this 2 1/4 inch apple limb, same tree. Not bad. Now, me personally, this is about as big as I would want to go with a saw this size. But this is 2 7/8 diameter. Again, same apple tree. And I know this went through it because I just harvested this wood with this saw. Again, let the saw do the work and try to only push down when you're drawing back. What's interesting to point out here is even though this is a really long cut, the amount of effort that you have to put in isn't that great because of the sharpness and the fact that you're cutting on the pull stroke. There you go. So the next thing that folks wanted to know about the Olfa Works Pocket Bushcraft Saw was how well it worked as a scraper. And I didn't test that in my first review, but we're sure going to test it here. Now this blade is pretty thin, so we're going to have to stay back here near the root in order to do any scraping with this. But let's start with some fat wood, see how that does. All right, so there's one pile of material. The next thing we have is a fire starter from my friends at Connects. This stuff is generally pretty good at taking a spark well, and these are completely biodegradable and they get consumed in the fire anyway, but all natural ingredients. It's a wax-based fire starter. So just get some particulate there, a little cut in the pouch. These are completely waterproof. And we're going to do a spark on that one, see if we can get that going. And this is also from the same company. This is a fire starter that's a little smaller. It doesn't burn quite as long as that one, but also waterproof. And what you want to do here is just get this fluff kind of out and exposed to easily catch a spark if we can get one. All right, let's see how this goes. One down, 2 down, 3 down. So, can you start a fire with the Olfa Works Bushcraft Saw? You sure can. And can you process your firewood? You sure can. No problems, no doubt at all in its ability to do that work. So I think this is a great little pocket saw for your bushcraft kit, and it is really, really capable. Thanks for watching.